Hmm. Namaskar, namaskar, and Suprabhadam,
नमस्कार।
dear students. Let's move everybody for prayer and then after we start. Right? Take a deep breath in, take out the breath in. ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Dear students, Namaskar and welcome back in a series of videos, English online classes organized by New Era Global School Morbi, and I am Ashwin Dabadravid. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Only fine. Only one word. Only one word is there in English language, Adjective. Not many adjectives. Come on. Say, how are you? Your answers should be with different adjectives. Okay? Come on.
Well, sir.
Well, then. Hello. Now, can you listen, dear students? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes.
Listen, dear students. Check. Uh, there is a net connection problems. That's why, you know, I couldn't take it in correct time. Right? So I'm here in library. See our library. Can you see everybody? Beloved library. Huh? Right? Can you see here? Can you listen me? Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
hello. Yes. So yeah. Okay. Finally, you are here over here, and
Sorry, your voice is leaving.
I'm here because of the internet connection problem. We couldn't contact ourselves. Okay. So over here we are having Rudraj, Himanshu, Kavya, Vidit Roja, Krish Patel, Balodia, Tamanna Sharon, Dipsi Rishia, Denin, Neshodia, Hello, is it all right, everybody now? Hello? Hello? Is it all right now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So,
It's not right.
okay. All right. Okay, now it's all right. After a long time. Okay. I was struggling. I was sitting downside. I roamed here and there. Still, I couldn't get good quality net. And now, on the top floor, I'm sitting. And okay, let's begin our session, dear students. Okay. Yesterday means last day we met and we just so we have done some discussion on the certain topics of our chapter number 4. So what we have discussed till now? Can anybody tell me? Hello? Hello? Let's recap. Hello? 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 Hello, are you able to listen properly? Is all right? Is it all right, dear students? Yes, sir. Okay, fine. So what we have done till now? Come on, let's revise, recap. In chapter number 4, I'm asking you a question. Yes, sir. All right, but what we have done till now?
Sir, we have done to till 4, 5 and 6, 7 paragraph.
Yes. So from 8 paragraph we're gonna ahead. Okay, we go ahead today. All right. Okay, fine. So let's move everybody. Okay. After knowing about Einstein's personal life. Okay. He wanted to get married with Mileva Maric, who came from Serbia, Serb young lady, right, in Switzerland for study purpose, and both actually got together there and they fall in love, right? Mixing science with tenderness. Okay, let us survive, in which they put their affections. They have written letters. Okay, and Einstein wrote a letter. Actually, we are having over here the letter in your book, textbook, and from that letter, one line is given over here. You can see how proud and happy I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity. Both started work on relativity. Okay, relativity I explained on the day or remaining. Hello? Explain now. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, Meshvi. Yes. Relativity to a victorious conclusion. Right? So they started working on relativity. And then what happened? Let's go ahead, everybody. Page number 48, paragraph number 8. I am going to give this paragraph to Krish Patel for reading. Krish Patel, please come forward and read. Hurry up. Textbook. Krish Patel left. Don't worry. Dev Balodia, please come forward. Dev Balodia. Hello? Hello? Dev. Can they hear me? Dev? All right. Tamanna? Tamanna can hear me, beta? Hello? Hello? Who hear me actually?
Yes, sir.
Tamanna,
Yes, sir.
will you read paragraph number 8? This is here.
Yes, sir.
Alright? Please can listen me. One number can listen me. Okay? Please tell. Okay, Tamanna, you read this paragraph number 8 from textbook. Alright? Okay. Come on.
Yes, sir. In
Come on.
1900, at the age of 21, Albert Einstein was a university graduate and unemployed. He worked as a teaching assistant, gave private lessons, and finally secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patient office in Bern. When he was supposed to be assessing other people's invention, Einstein was actually developing his own ideas in secret. He is said to have jokingly called his desk drawer at work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics.
Brave no, it's a bureau. Bureau means office like institution, organization.
Okay,
Bureau.
sir.
What is that? Bureau. Bureau.
Bureau.
is ना इन्वेस्ट हाँ CBI है ना crime bureau right bureau CID we say CID and bureau CBI we say bureau right. So in 1900 he was just he became graduate, right, and he was not having any job in his hand. He was unemployed. So he started coaching on physics, right? He started personal coaching, was giving lecture to the students. For 2 years he did this personal coaching. And finally, he got a job in 1902. And what was the job actually? Very fantastic and very different job he got. As per his, quality, he was having mastery over physics and mathematics. So in 1902, he got a job as a technical expert. As a technical expert in patent office. Patent, it is mean that, any inventor who invent any new thing, new invention. So whatever documents are ready to make it copyright. So nobody can use his or her name for the invention. So whosoever invented, his or her name should be in the documents, and they get the rights of the invention. Right or not? Inventor get the rights of the invention. Nobody will just take his rights. Right? So for that documents preparation is done in the office. It is called patent office in Bern, one of the cities in Germany, right? And by working as employer away in the office, he was doing his personal practice. For what actually? You see away, he was working on certain ideas, theory, in secret. Nobody knows that. Yes. Right? And he said jokingly one time, that his desk drawer, we are also having drawer in the table, very big, large drawer was there. And he called jokingly it Bureau of Theoretical Physics. Right? It was Bureau of Theoretical Physics. He said, you remember this line? And then point number 9, we go over here. Let's begin. Come on. We are having over here Rudraj Jadeja. Can you hear my voice properly right now? Rudraj. Come on, India, Rudraj. Cricketer. IGS team. Hello? So net problem, can't you read? You can write message, but can't you read? Okay, fine. All right.
Sir,
So
your video is lagging.
Dipsy. Okay. Now is it all right?
Yes, sir, it is all right.
Okay. So Dipsy, Sersia, or Daniel? Anyone? Pranjal also
Yes,
is available over here. Please read this paragraph. Paragraph number 9. Very important paragraph. Come on, India.
One of the famous papers of 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey if one of them has been moving very fast relative to others. From this followed the world's most famous formula which describes the relationship between mass and energy. E is equal to mc square.
Okay, fine. All right. Thank you, Dipsy. So, with relativity, he worked for another as well, and he prepared a formula. According to which
Sir, your voice is
special
lagging.
theory and one theory. We have special theory and okay, now let's do something over here.
Sorry, your voice is lagging.
Now, can you see everybody properly? Is it all right?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, voice is all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, dear students, is a very, very important and interesting, physics topic is inculcated in the book over here. Along with the theories, special and general theory of relativity. Okay, it is mc square. E is equal to mc square. We see over here. But before that, we see over here special theory on relativity, according to which this special theory, time and distance are not absolute, means complete. Okay? Absolute is absolute. It means that over here, look at here, they two perfectly fine. If they come together again after a journey, one of them have been moving very fast relative to other. एक साथ दो को रखा जाए टाइम पर और थोड़े टाइम के बाद जिसी सो एक पीछे रह जाएगी और एक आगे निकल जाएगी. Does it have to just experimented anytime? You do it. दो एक साथ घड़ी रखो सेकंड वाली. You see difference. So time and speed, right? Time and distance. Okay, cannot be what you call absolute. And from the followed the world's famous formula, which describes the relation between mass and energy. Mass can be energy, energy can be mass. Mass can be transformed to energy, and energy can be transferred to mass. Understand or not? Example. Okay, so first of all you see energy. Okay. Hello. You studied conservation of energy and conservation of mass in physics or not? Have you studied?
No,
Have you studied
sir.
or not? No. Conservation of energy and conservation of mass. So this formula you see, E, first of all you get the what you call for word the letter stands. Okay, the mathematical equation over here, E stands for energy, M stands for mass, and C stands for speed of light and vacuum. It means that about 3 lakh kilometer per second. एक second में 3 lakh kilometer light travel, and sun's rays, fall on the earth. How many minutes it takes sun's rays? You studied or not these things? Small thing. Hello? Hello? How many minutes?
Yes, sir.
How many minutes it takes? Sun's rays reaches to the earth. How many minutes?
Sir, it takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
Yes, sir. 8 minutes and 20.
8 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes and seconds. So, you know very well that. Okay, fine. Mass or bodies, okay, mass cannot be destroyed, and energy cannot be destroyed. Energy can transfer, mass also can transfer. Mass cannot be destroyed, dear students. Okay, understand? समझ में आ रहा है? धीरे धीरे एनर्जी ट्रांसफर होती है, डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं होती। जैसे कि एटॉमिक एनर्जी है, वो देखो एकदम क्या हो गया, कंप्रेस हो जाएगी, तो मास में रूपांतरित हो जाएगी, बॉम्ब बना देंगे हम उसको, और बाद में उसको एक्सपांड करना है तो धमाका। isn't it? एनर्जी, मास में से एनर्जी, एनर्जी में से मास कैन बी कन्वर्टेड, कैन बी ट्रांसफॉर्म, स्वरूप बदलेगा उसका, लेकिन कैन नॉट बी डिस्ट्रॉयड। This is very what you call important, okay, formula Einstein has given. So you will learn more and detail about the formula, okay, in college, perhaps in 12th standard, some equations, some something you just learn, but more in what you call college if you just go for physics. All right, in detail. Okay, Pranjal says, Vatsal, need a mic. Okay. Please, if you don't want to ask, you don't just please on your mic. Alright? And a very interesting and very different example is given by Albert Einstein. I am not giving. Pay attention over here. When you sit with a nice girl, boy, nice girl, whatever. Nowadays, no any difference, boy or girl. But we written an example, you see, when you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. And when you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes, it seems like 2 hours. Right? That is relativity. In short, other example also, when we are enjoying happiness, okay, so we feel that, oh my God, time is over. Where does it go? Where it has gone? Time is up. Happiness, time. And when we are in sad mood, abhi time nahi gaya. When we are unhappy, right? Okay or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So let's go ahead for other. We don't go in detail over here, but you understand these things. Energy can be transferred, okay, one to another, and mass also can be transferred one to another. Okay, all right. So now 10th point we are gonna read over here. I would like to call over here. Who? Yes. Pranjal Bopalia. Pranjal, you please come forward and read. Oh my God, Pranjal left. What happened? Pranjal is having problem perhaps. Pranshu Sarodia is there?
Yes,
Pranshu?
sir.
Very
Yes,
nice.
sir.
Pranshu Sarodia will read point number 10. Page number 49, point number 10. Come on.
While Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. She is a book like you, his mother said. Einstein put the wedding off.
Yes. So what happened over here? It's a personal life is given, very, very easy. Everybody could understand. Alright, there is no need to explain anything over here. Right, so let's go ahead for 10 points. Pranshu Sarodia, you only.
Sir, I only have to read 11.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
So he
The
canceled
pair
his
finds-
marriage. Okay. He wanted to marry,
Yes.
but mother said, you don't marry because, she is a book like you, She is more intelligent than you and older, 3 years older than you. Right now, no. After study. And then after, he postponed the marriage. Okay. And then go ahead.
The pair finally married in January 1903 and had 2 sons, but a few years later the marriage faltered. Mileva, meanwhile, was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year.
Yes. So, dear students, over here one word is given. What is meaning of ambition? Do you know? Ambition.
Aim.
Intellectual ambition. Aim. Yes. Then. Hello. Other words. It's not
Passion.
complete, but aim you can.
So what she
What?
want to become in her life.
In like dream. You say it's a dream. Yes. Then. What?
Sir, passion.
Passion. Passion. Ambition. Little bit different. Then. Hello. Some things we want, it does mean that our desire, isn't it? Desire, then hello. Ambition means strong desire, extreme desire, isn't it? Just like happiness. But extreme happiness means ecstasy.
Sir, goal.
Goal. But ambition means a strong desire to acquire something. It is called ambition. Right? It's goal, can be goal also. Okay? But over here we say extreme desire or ambition. So she was having extreme desire, but she had to lose because of family and all. Housewife, how works, she engaged herself, and she became unhappy because she couldn't go ahead. Whatever she studied, and after years of constant fighting, not disum. Fighting means verbal fighting. Right? Just like it's happening in Anupama and other serial. Right? Tarak Mehta. Verbal fighting. Over here also verbal fighting between husband and wife, and finally they got divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin. Cousin, marrying with cousin is a little bit Quidditch, isn't it? It's a queer, strange lag raha hai, Quidditch. Have you ever heard a cousin get married? Eh? I haven't
No,
heard
sir.
till now. No.
No.
But in Germany, perhaps they could. That's why it's written over here. He just married with cousin Elsa the same year, 1919. Right? And let's go ahead for the now 12th point. Jigyasa. Jigyasa Deswal, please come forward and then read these 12 and 13 both points. Okay? 14, 16, 17 we do tomorrow. Come on. Jigyasa Deswal.
Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to world fame. In 1915, he had published his General Theory of Relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. The newspapers proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press.
Correct. Very nice. Good. I like your reading. Everybody likewise. Okay. 100% marks you get in reading. Jigyasa. Alright?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Alright. So, here also one more chapter, scientific chapter. Relativity, E is equal to mc square. One more physics topic over here. Coincided. What is coincided, you know? Physics topic. Have you studied? Oh my God, you haven't studied, you know. You are in 9th, so how can it be possible? Okay. So it's a topic in higher standard actually. Coincided means to occur at the same time. While I'm taking lecture, and on the other hand we see in the other mobile I'm giving exam. Can it be possible? Yes. Same time would be, so I don't want to cancel both, so I just simultaneously occurring at the same time. Okay? Alright? Okay. Alright. To occupy exactly the same space. Occupy same space by the object. Two objects, same space. Alright? So this is coincide, and he worked. No more thing we want to know about this. And with this topic, okay, his rise to the world fame, he got world famousness. In 1950, he had published his general theory. It was special theory of relativity. It is general theory. Okay, special theory in 1905. 1900.
5.
Yes. And in the 12th paragraph you see 1915, after 10 years, he had published a general theory of relativity which provided a new interpretation, definition. Interpretation means definition of gravity. Gravity. What about gravity? Gravity, you know very well that who invented apple under the tree?
Newton.
Newton. Full name?
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton.
Isaac Newton. Yes. Yes. Okay. Do you think anything, any strange is Isaac Newton thought? Think. Lot many topics are there in the physics. Think and try to find out the solution, and your name also will be displayed in his book, word book, and in the list of scientists. Lot many things happen over here. You should have question why this happened, and try to find out. Invent something. You can do it also. Yes, you have energy, you have potential, but you don't try, you cannot. If you try, you can. Believe everybody. Will you try? Huh? Huh? Hello? Speechless?
What, sir?
Yes, sir.
To invent something, you should have questions first. जिज्ञासा होनी चाहिए, means curiosity होनी चाहिए. ये कैसे बना? Why this happened? Why? Observe the thing first of all, and then try to get the answers. Try to ask the question to yourself, and then try to get the answer. Right? So this can be, developed if you do so. An eclipse of the sun, okay, in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Accurate means on the accurate time. It happened. He said in advance, and it happened. Yes, Einstein. And Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed star would be deflected. Deflected means change the direction. Can the direction, because it hit something through the sun's gravitational field. And the newspaper proclaimed, means declare his work on eclipse, eclipse calculation and gravitational field and all things he has said. So newspapers declare these as a scientific revolution, Kranti. Yes, right? So till here we keep. Tomorrow we just go ahead. And other newspaper also lauded, means praised his work. And he got Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. And one more thing I want to announce over here, dear students. Tomorrow onwards, you will have any time, any day, surprise test, maybe short question, long question, MCQ,
Sir, of which chapter?
writing, whatever, diary. First chapter. We start from first chapter. First chapter, first poem from Beehive. So be ready. Anytime I can just. I will not give you schedule. So everybody be ready. We start from first chapter. First Beehive. Then after moment we start. Understand? Writing, grammar, answer passage, and question answer. Short and MCQ or long. Any can be asked. It does not mean that all together. So be ready. Read the books. Chapter number 1. That's all. Okay. Let me take attendance. Okay. So it will do marks and all, and your marks will be counted. Right. They need 1 minute. Don't go away anywhere else. I just take your attendance in short. So I feel later on I don't want to waste my time and your time. That's why I'm taking the attendance really like this, taking screenshot. Yes, now I have taken. Alright, so thank you everybody. We'll keep this session till here, and we will meet in next lecture. Till then, namaskar and bye bye everybody.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.